Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Christopher Rayner here with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. Here today to bring your weekly weather briefing for the Ark-La-Mist region for September 26, 2024. Looking at our highlights for today, impacts of Hurricane Helene will be the main focus of this week. Gusty winds on the periphery of Helene will be the main concern heading into Friday. Rain and shower chances will increase across northern Mississippi tonight and will continue through Sunday. Finally, dry conditions will occur beginning next week into midweek. Taking a look at the overall track for Hurricane Helene. Hurricane Helene is expected to make landfall this evening along the Florida Big Bend coast with top speeds of 105 miles per hour by 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The storm will be organized prior to landfall, and wind and rain impacts will be felt further inland north near the Appalachian Mountains. Taking a look at the gusty winds. Gusty winds will be possible around the edge of Helene, with many areas seeing sustained winds around 25 miles per hour. There's possibility that some of these gusts could bump up to 30 to 40 miles per hour across most of our forecast area. And with that being said, a local wind graphic may be needed as we get closer to Friday. Taking a look at the rainfall into the weekend. Heavier rain expected to the east due to Hurricane Helene, though most of our area will remain unaffected, with northern Mississippi having the best chance for heavier rain and localized flooding. Taking a look at the tropical outlook for the next week from the National Hurricane Center. Outside of Helene, Tropical Storm Isaiah has formed in the north central Atlantic, and another area of disturbed weather has a higher chance of development over the next several days. However, both will remain over the Atlantic with no impacts to our immediate areas at this time. And finally, looking at conditions heading into next week, as Helene moves into the Tennessee Valley, rain chances will start to pick back up heading into Friday before drying out into the next weekend. So again, main focus of this week will of course be the impacts from Hurricane Helene. Gusty winds on the periphery of Helene will be the main concern heading into Friday, with again some areas seeing some sustained wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Rain and shower chances will increase across northern Mississippi tonight and will continue through Sunday, with dry conditions beginning next week into midweek. All right, I'd like to thank you all for viewing today's weekly weather briefing. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can contact us at the number listed or contact any of our socials under NWS Jackson MS.